Friends, welcome to this dedicated learning space for Vedic Maths. This channel is creative and is academic oriented. In this channel, we explore the magic tricks to solve various types of mathematical problems. Friends, in this video, we are learning to multiply numbers of the same digits of equal length. Let's go ahead. Friends, in the previous video, we have understood the multiplication of all ones numbers of equal length. We found that depending on the number of ones in the number, the answer obtained had a definite pattern. For example, 3 ones into 3 ones is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. In fact, the digits in the answer 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 are the step 1 to step 5 values respectively. Similarly, 4 ones into 4 ones is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. In this answer 2, each digit in the number represents step 1 to step 7 values. Further, 5 ones into 5 ones is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. In this answer 2, the digits represent step 1 to step 9 values. This concept we can extrapolate and write 8 ones into 8 ones is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Friends, this concept we can utilize to multiply any large number containing same digits other than the ones of equal length. Friends, be ready and be attentive to understand the wonderful process. Friends, now let us multiply 444 into 444. Let us take 4 outside the bracket. Then we get 4 into bracket 111 into 4 into bracket 111. And that is equal to 16 into bracket 111 into 111. We know 111 into 111 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Therefore, we get 16 into bracket 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. In fact, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 digits are part 1 to part 5 values respectively. Now, by multiplying each step value by 16, we get 16, 32, 48, 32 and 16. These values are step 1 to step 5 values of multiplication of 444 into 444. Now, as usual, we must retain unit 1 digit in each step after performing carry over process at every step. By doing so, we get 19, 7, 1, 3, 6. Therefore, 444 into 444 is equal to 197, 136. That is the answer. Very easy and interesting, isn't it, friends? Note, in this process, there is no complexity of writing the step diagrams and finding the values of each step. Friends, you can also consider 444 into 444 is equal to 444 whole square, meaning for squaring the same digit number of any length, you can use this process. Friends, after knowing the process clearly, we can solve any big problem within few seconds. So now, let us multiply 5555 into 5555. These numbers are 4-digit numbers. We know 1111 into 1111 is equal to 1234321. Consider the given numbers 5555 into 5555. By taking 5 outside the bracket, we get 5 into bracket 1111 into 5 into bracket 1111, or that is equal to 25 into bracket 1234321. By multiplying each digit by 25, we get 25, 50, 75, 100, 75, 50, 25. These values are step 1 to step 7 values of multiplication 5555 into 5555 respectively. Now, we must retain unit place digit in each step after performing carryover process and adding to each step. Then we get 30, 8, 5, 8, 0, 2, 5. Therefore, 5555 into 5555 is equal to 30858 Very easy, isn't it, friends? Friends, now let us multiply 9999 into 9999. Consider the given numbers. These are 4-digit numbers. We know 1111 into 1111 is equal to 1234321. Let us take in the given number 9 outside the bracket as in the earlier case. Then we get 9 into bracket 1111 into 9 into bracket 1111, and that is equal to 81 into bracket 1234321. By multiplying each digit by 81, we get 81, 162, 243, 324, 243, 162 and 81. Now, we must retain only unit place digit in each step after performing carryover process and adding. Then we get 99, 9, 8, 0, 0, 0, 1. Therefore, 9999 into 9999 is equal to 99,980,001. That is the answer. Very easy, isn't it, friends? Finally, friends, we shall multiply 5-digit numbers. Consider to multiply 77777 into 77777. In the given numbers, let us take 7 outside the bracket. Then we get 7 into bracket 1 1 1 1 1 into 7 into bracket 1 1 1 1 1, and that is equal to 49 into bracket 1 2 3 4 5 4 3 2 1. By multiplying each number by 49, we get 49, 98, 147, 196, 245, 196, 147, 98 and 49. These are the numbers of step 1 to step 9 values respectively. Now, we must retain only unit place digits in each step after performing carryover process and adding. Then we get 60, 4, 9, 2, 6, 1, 7, 2 and 9. Therefore, 77777 into 77777 is equal to 6049261 Friends, I hope you appreciate the power of Vedic Maths. Practice to solve longer length numbers containing same digits mentally. Remember, there is no complexity of neither writing the steps diagrams nor finding their values in this process. Friends, subscribe for this channel. We shall meet in the next video to crack some more magic tricks of Vedic Maths. Thank you for watching this video.